say about it?
Every year it improves a little bit, incremental improvements each year. But this year we have a larger batch. We have almost 18 collections on the show. 4 of them have already been adjudged as, you know, industry relevant. They've been adjudged as number 1, 2, 3, 4 by a whole jury of industry people. So that's what's going to happen this year. One collection I believe is going to go to the Fashion Week as well. So that's the.
What is, see, when the working is a great faculty, you have amazing movie which is there. What is that one USP which we at WLC inculcates in students and getting it at par? What is that USP? If we, the fashion events galore today, as you said, there's one collection which you already so we would love to know about it.
See, we pride ourselves, and the tagline of the school is that we create thinking designers. So people who are giving a thought to what they are creating, designs that are wearable, designs that are commercially possible. So the USP of the school is that we are close to industry, we are very close to what is required in the workplace, and as a result of which the designs that you will see today, all of them will be wearable, all of them will be commercially, acceptable at a later stage. So that's precisely what we do.
So we recently had a show in Delhi also and had a lot of accolades and a lot of positive criticism when it comes to clothes. What do you have to say about fashion being moved to north? Earlier it was just Maharashtra, Bombay, so to speak, Kolkata.
Yes.
Delhi is becoming like one great hub. What do you have to say about that?
It's always been a fashion destination. Yeah, Bombay has always been a bigger industry. But as more and more industry shifts to the north and there's more activity happening over there, we are seeing that natural shift for designers, and we're seeing a natural shift for other people up north. Also, you must remember that a lot of these designers depend on weddings, and north has more weddings than anywhere else in the country.
Absolutely. So that remains our key area.
Yes, and the industry is also shifting. The export industry, there's many other linkages that are formed, and these people are employing more and more designers.
So anything you want to add, a bridge to your future in terms of WLC, what would you like to add?
We have been around for 20 years. The fashion school has been around for more than 15 years, and we have sent many designers to the industry. Many of our students are now recognized names in the area of fashion, and we hope